Hello everyone, I'm in front of Safal outlet in Jeevan Bhima Nagar. Now it is taken over by KO, that is Karnataka Oil Federation, and they are likely to open on 28th of this month. So I'll just introduce you to Mr. Vinod. Vinod, he will explain you what are the products they are going to keep and what is the kind of service people can expect from here. Yes.
So actually we are planning complete retail store, sir.
Okay.
And I'm planning over 10,000 SKUs
Okay.
to keep where customer will get at a fair price.
Okay.
Any other store compared to this store will get a fair price. We are planning to.
Because it is government.
It's a government and it's a cooperative structure. So we are planning morely like fair price, and we are planning to keep around 10,000 to 12,000 SKUs in our store.
Okay.
From basic needs to everything we are planning to keep in our stores.
Okay. Can we see the facility what you
Yeah,
have
sure.
inside? Yeah. Please. So it's a big setup.
This will be our billing counter. That will
Okay.
be F&B sections,
Very nice.
fruits and vegetables.
Fresh fruits and vegetables here. So groceries,
Yes, sir, groceries. We have groceries.
all kind of groceries,
Personal care, baby care, all
self-service counters.
every product.
Very nice. And they have chiller unit also,
Yeah, chiller unit. Another two more chiller is coming.
and freezer unit also is there.
Everything is there.
This is deep freezer unit. This is chiller unit.
Chiller unit. Another one or two is coming.
So this is all self-service counter. Another 1 week this will be operational.
Yes, big.
So this is the back end
And by
receiving.
business.
This is receiving area.
Yes, sir, this is receiving.
Okay. So this is the all product receiving area,
This is where we keep
cold storage product.
cold storage and food items.
Very nice. So they have a small cold room here, walk-in cold room. It's newly built.
And this is where we are planning to keep non-food items.
Okay.
All non-food items.
Non-food item means grocery items.
Not groceries, sir, like
Plastic items.
Plastic
Okay.
items.
Okay.
Which is-
Got it. Okay. This
This
what
is
is this
our-
area?
stock receiving area. Yes.
Okay.
We
This is
have
for the
no
fresh
place
vegetable.
for keeping it, we'll use this one.
Okay.
And expiry products, it's all there.
So where from you'll be getting the main this from? Where is your mother hub?
Sir, mother?
Like your main depot. Main depot. From where you will be getting the supplies.
No, sir, we have vendors.
Direct
Like,
way, okay.
Every area they are distributors.
Uh-huh.
So we will contact to them and we'll get items from them.
Okay, very good. So
Distributors.
how many outlets you are planning to open on this month?
Actually, one is running in Kormangala.
Okay.
This is the second one.
Opposite to the Amul office.
Yeah, yeah. opposite
Passport
of-
office.
Passport office.
Okay.
One is, it's already running.
Very
This
good.
is the second office.
This is the second one.
Yeah.
So how many more you are planning to open?
Actually, I have no idea about it. I am thinking little bit more only, sir. I am planning like 20 outlets.
Okay. You're employee of KF?
KFS, sir.
Okay. On roll?
Yes, sir.
Very nice. Okay. So this is Mr. Vinod, and he has given a very good briefing.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Mr.
Thank you
Vinod.
so much, sir.
Wish you all the best.
Thank you so much, sir.
So tell us what is the timing?
So we will be opening from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m.
Okay.
There will be two shifts, sir. General shift and part-time shift. Part-time where people come around 7 a.m. to 12 p.m. and general shift from normal 10 to 9 till closing.
Okay. So 7 a.m. it is for the customer direct.
Direct customer.
Okay.
open.
Okay.
From
So
7
no-
a.m.
no
billing
wholesaling
will
here.
start till 9 p.m. billing ends.
So any wholesale also will happen or only retail?
Wholesale also retail.
Only
Completely retail sales.
Okay. Thank you so much. So they have parking facility, very big parking facility here. So one can come in the morning, they can park their vehicle inside, go and pick up their vegetable, and it is on the main road itself. Like you can see this is Jeevan Bhima Nagar main road, and very close by is the petrol pump, and very close by is police station, Jeevan Bhima Nagar police station. So this is the entrance. So now they have closed it because work is going on. For 20 years they are planning to launch a store, and it looks very neat and clean. So it's good for people who are staying nearby. They can pick up fresh vegetable and groceries from here. Okay, we wish them all the best. Thank you.